Alright, so we are starting 11.2, area of trapezoids. Now, trapezoid is a quadrilateral. It's a form of quadrilateral, but it has one set of parallel lines, right here and right here. Those are two parallel lines. So your formula for finding the area of a trapezoid is right here. Add your bases, multiply them by the height, and then divide it by 2. So get your note card, and let's add on trapezoid. Area equals 1/2 times your height multiplied by the sum of your bases. All right, let's do number 1. Are y'all ready for this? Super easy. Area equals 1/2 times your height plus your bases. Doesn't matter the order that you add your bases because we're just adding. So it doesn't even matter which one's base 1 or base 2. Now if you want to be specific, base 1, base 2, and then your height is 16. So let's plug it in. A equals 1/2 times 16, 32 plus 18. So after we plug all that in our calculators, do I get 400? 400 what? Feet squared. Is your answer complete without your unit? No. All right, we're moving on. What? No. You don't have to find anything. There's no missing parts. You have literally everything you need. Base, base, height. Base, base, height. Base, base, height. Moving on. All right, here are rhombi and kites. So get your formula card. Good news for you, these both have the same formula. So 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. 1/2, diagonal 1, diagonal 2. Which one's which? What's this? Rhombus? What's this? Let's talk about the things that we know about a rhombus real quick. So here, oh, sorry, it's kind of slanted. Here's a rhombus. Let's talk about what we know. 4 sides that are all these diagonals all form at what? What's all right here? These are all 90-degree angles. And if that's 90 and this is 90, 90, and 90, then all of these are the same. All right, kite. This is a kite. So when I'm talking about diagonals in a rhombus, here's your diagonal 1. Doesn't matter which is which. Oops, sorry. Diagonal 1, diagonal 2. And then in a kite, diagonal 1 is right here, going side to side. And D2, diagonal 2, is going up and down. So these D's right here stand for diagonals. So let's look at this example right here. This is a what? Rhombus. Okay, well, diagonal 1, doesn't matter which is which. Okay, it's not like we're subtracting, we're just multiplying. Doesn't matter the order. So this diagonal is 7, and even though this one is not on top of it, it's just outside, but still that means that this one is 9. So to find the area, we just do 7 times 9 divided by 2, or 7 times 9 times 0.5. Okay, let's try it. What is this? Kite or rhombus? Kite. What's our formula? 1/2 times what? Diagonal times diagonal. D1 times D2. So let's discover what our diagonals actually are. Well, this one going right here. What is how many inches is this right here? 20. And what's this one? Okay, so let's call that D1. So D1 is actually equal to what? 40. And then we're going to call the long ways D2. And this portion of D2 is how many inches? 26. But I don't know if this is that 56 going with this? Y'all think it is going with this? Have you done it already? Your calculations? Is your answer 1640? Yes. And you use this as 56. Awesome. So that is 56. So our D2 is 56 plus 26. D2. So really it's 82. So your formula, A equals 1/2 D1 times D2. 1/2 times 40 times 82. And your area is 1,640 inches what? Squared. Okay, this one. This is a rhombus. So if this is 10, what's this side? 10. If that's 10, then this is 10, which means one diagonal is actually equal to 20. If this portion is 20, and this portion is 20, diagonal 2 is equal to 40. 20 plus 20 is 40. A equals 1/2 times 20 times 40, which should be equal to 400 centimeters squared. All right, go to the back. This is kind of what we just did in that problem solving one we did on the board. I know the area. I know one base. I know one base. I need to find the height. Okay, well, what is this? Trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times height. Add your bases. So let's fill in everything we know. Well, I know my area is 164. 1/2 stays the same. Your height is x, base 1 plus base 2. Guess what we're going to do? Solve for x. 164 equals get what from? I added this, and then I divided by 2. Okay, let's do this one. What formula am I using?
Oh, 1/2.
Okay. So area I know is 340, 1/2, and I know one diagonal, but I want to find this other one. What's half of 20?
2.
So D2 is equal to what? Huh? Yeah, you're right. Say it. 34. 340 divided by 10 is 34. What if I told you this isn't the right answer? Yeah. Say that again, Emma. Because, yeah, we found D2, but it's just pointing to 1/2 of the diagonal. So to actually find X, you have to divide this by 2, which means that the answer is 17 centimeters. All right, I bet y'all can guess what I want you to do. Finish the packet. 9, 6, 3, this one, this one.